Hey Scootopians, OhManDan here, and we're doing another amazing 5-minute close-up. Today we're doing it on the Bronco Xtreme, a fantastic scooter. I love this thing. It's been a blast. Let me just kind of go over some things with you. This scooter comes with a 27-inch handlebar, has some really nice size grips. They turn though, so you probably want to either spray some hairspray on it or get you some custom grips that you can tighten with a hex bolt. All right, it has the Ecstasy Handlebar. I love the how you can adjust it with this little grub screw here. From the ground to the handlebar, 52 inches tall. Probably the tallest handlebars I have in any scooter. 40 inches from the deck to the bars. The stem, swing arm, control arm, and the headset is a carbon reinforced steel that you can feel the quality of. Amazing stability. This kick plate, the angle I don't like too much. It's 5 3/4 inches wide, 5.5 inches tall. All right. The deck is 8 inches from the ground. All right, and 12 inches wide, 22.5 inches long, and it is housing a. Let me let that helicopter go by. It's housing a 72 volt, 35 amp hour lithium ion LG battery, the MJ1, 2520 watts of power, 8400 watts peak. On this scooter it has a 2-in-1 sine wave controller with a total 100 amps. Man, this sine wave controller with this Bronco motors display, they did their own version of the QS S4. This, in conjunction with that sine wave controller, gives you the smoothest acceleration. Well, they're starting to cut out again. Starting to cut out again at high speed. Then the other problem. You can do 2-3 miles per hour without any jerking, just smooth. You can really control this scooter at slow speeds. The suspension comes with the D&M air shock suspensions in the back and the D&M hydraulic spring suspension in the front. All right. I like to have a stiffer ride on mine, so I kind of slow down my rebound so I don't get all that bouncy bounce. All right. I love these fenders. Some people think they're ugly. I think they're amazing because front and back, they have amazing coverage. It doesn't spray any debris on you. Water, mud, dirt, dust, none of that. Grass. Comes with the nut hydraulic brakes, 160 millimeter rotors. You got the 11x4, 2 pneumatic tires. And the charge ports are on the right side of the deck. The deck does have lighting on the rear and front, but no turn signals, no hazards, which is a bummer. Of course, my foot on this deck. Look at all that terrain, a lot of space. I love the width and length of this deck. Comes with the steering damper, which is another part of controlling and keeping keeping the stability. The comfort of the ride is because of that steering damper. The D&M air shocks and D&M hydraulic shocks in the front. All of that is just incredible. Plus, you got the carbon steel, reinforced carbon steel on this stem and control arms, swing arms, and so it's amazing. I did add some temporary mirrors. I got some custom mirrors coming in, custom grips coming in. I got the quad lock phone holder, and this amazing light by Magic Shine is probably one of the brightest lights I've gotten so far, and I have some bright lights, but that thing is incredible. It's got the kind of cheesy Eco Turbo single dual button. I wish they would have put the up-to-date ones on there. It does have a latch to lock the stem into itself here.
Man, I'm so disappointed in the current output here. I don't know if this is a defect or if the controllers were set wrong, but Bronco Motors got some work to do to fix this thing. That's our Bronco 5-minute close-up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like, and share my videos. This is OhManDan. I'm out.
About to meet the man, OhManDan. Was about the mug to help mankind. Start a scooter club, I know you're fine, cause you're just like that. You bend over backwards to help a man. You strap up, you boot up, you throw on your colors. Get ready to hang, riding with the fellas. Yeah, on a glorious crusade, helping those in need. Now they got it made. West Coast scooter.